Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. So in today's video, I'm just going to kind of take y'all along with me today. I do have some chores that I need to take care of here on the farm. We're also going to be going to the grocery store, so at the end of this video I will share a grocery haul. But we have been in a drought here in central Arkansas, and I'm pretty sure there's tons of other places that are dealing with this too. So that means we're not getting a lot of rain, and so a lot of our plants here, they are new plants, especially our trees, and they need water. And so I'm actually going to be going around the whole property and just watering all of those trees, and so I will kind of show y'all how I do that. We only have one spigot, and it's in the very front of the house, and so we have a really long water hose, but it just does not reach the majority of the trees, and so I'll show y'all what I do to take care of that. But if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. Here on my channel, I share a lot of what's for dinners, new recipe ideas, grocery hauls, and a little bit of our life here on our small farm. But let's go ahead and get started. I'd say she's pretty happy. Watering the rest of the plants on the property that are not established yet is we have this big large tote that I'm going to fill up with water, and then once it's filled up, we have it in this gorilla cart that is attached to one of our mowers, and so we can just kind of drag it around the property. But I'm going to fill this up with water. We're going to go to each tree and we're going to fill up one of these 5-gallon buckets with some water and water them that way. And we're going to start over here with these fruit trees. So before we go in from being outside in the super hot heat, I wanted to show y'all Tyler's tractor. He had done some work for a lady in his dad's church, and she had this old tractor on her property, and she was ready to sell it, and so Tyler bought it up, and we are super excited to have this here on our farm. It does not run currently, and so Tyler has been doing his research on the different parts that it may need and things that we needed to do with it. But I'm really excited, so y'all stick around and subscribe so y'all can see this running one day. All right, y'all, so we are done with the outside chores. It is so hot outside. I was probably out there for about an hour just taking care of everything, and I feel so bad for my husband. He is a lawn care guy, and so he is out mowing today, and my heart breaks for him because it's so hot. But I am thankful to now be in the air conditioner. We will have to go back outside later this evening to feed the chickens for their second feeding today. And do y'all hear Copper? Okay, but when I feed them for their second time, I will collect the eggs. But we are gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store, and I will share that grocery haul when we get back home.
Stuff's gonna get stuck in here.
It's probably more for like decor. That is so cute. All right, y'all, so we are back from the store and from Atwoods, and so I just thought I would kind of show you what we got. Starting over here, we got some tri-colored bell peppers. I got 2 packages. We got 3 tomatoes. We're gonna be having some cheeseburgers this week, and then we also like to have these just for like a snack, like a tomato sandwich. Got some bananas. I'm gonna be making some banana cake this week. Got 1 bag of the ziti noodles. We needed some more Lowry seasoned salt, some coconut aminos. This is just a soy-free alternative, so you can just use this just like you would soy sauce. I got some more cinnamon rolls, and these are the cream cheese icing cinnamon rolls. We have been loving that new TikTok cinnamon rolls. We love those. We have them like every Saturday morning. I got a package of pepperonis. Got a big bag of mozzarella cheese. Got 2 loaves of this Nature's Own honey wheat bread. Now, I don't know about y'all, but at my grocery store, this loaf of bread was like, it was over $3.50. It is just absolutely insane. But we needed bread, so we went ahead and got some. Got a thing of hamburger buns for our cheeseburgers. Got some more of these frozen pork tamales. These were actually really, really good. I got them over in the entertaining snack area in Walmart. They had pork, I saw beef, and I think they also might have chicken. We got some King Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to be making some sliders. Got some more of these beef taquitos. We prefer the ones that are in the corn tortilla over the flour. Got 2 bags of chicken strips. These just make for such great easy dinners. We love to have those on hand. I stocked up on some cream cheese because I actually ran out this week, like in the middle of the week, and Tyler had to go to the Dollar General down the street to get some more. Got a tub of sour cream. Stocked up on some butter. Just got 2 of the 2 packs of salted butter. We actually got 2 of the 10-pound bags of boneless, skinless chicken breast, but I went ahead and put 1 in the freezer already, just because it is super hot outside, and so on the ride home today, we took the truck, and so a lot of it was starting to get kind of melted, so I want to go ahead and put 1 of those in the freezer. Got another thing of corn dogs. We love to have these on hand just for little snacks throughout the week. Got another Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. This one's our favorite. With the water flavors, the 2 of our favorites, they were actually out of them in the little boxes. Tyler's favorite is the cherry pomegranate, but they didn't have any, so we just got 3 of the cherries. And then my favorite is the, I think it's peach mango in the box, but they didn't have that either. So I just went ahead and got this pineapple mango. It's a little squirt bottle. I had to get 1 thing of Rotel. This is just the Great Value brand. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. 2 cans of corn. 2 cans of cut green beans. And I needed to refill some of these brown gravies that I've used. That is all of the grocery items that we got. So I'll show you a few of the things that we got that were not grocery items. I got me a little pair of slippers. I got a new wax melt scent. It's called Fallen Leaves, and it kind of smells to me like apple cinnamon a little bit. But I'm really excited for fall. I know it's super hot and we're a long ways away, but that'll get me in the mood anyways. I got a big thing of toilet paper, big thing of paper towel. We always like to stock up on the biggest package possible. That's better for your deal. So that's what we did. We hadn't had to buy any of these for probably a couple months or so. So went ahead and stocked up. The flies are pretty bad right now. So went ahead and got some of these fly ribbons to stick up and hopefully get rid of some of those. I got 1 12-pack of the Diet Twist Up. It's kind of like the Diet Sprite for Walmart brand. 2 of the Dr. Thunders. And at Atwoods today, I did go ahead and get this cute little rolling pin. It's mainly just going to be for decor because this is indented. So like you wouldn't be able to, I mean, I guess if you had some dough out that you were wanting these little indentions, that would be really cute. But I'll probably just use this for some decor. But that's everything that we got. We did get some more pine shavings for the ducks and the chickens, but those are all outside. Oh, hang on, one more thing. Let me see. And we did get some of this cookie dough ice cream, but I went ahead and put it in the freezer just because it was melting. But other than that, that's everything we got. So I just wanted to thank y'all for hanging out with me today as we took care of some of the farm chores, as we went to the Atwoods store. That's our favorite place to shop. And while we got our groceries, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!